Welcome to this lesson on antivirus and malware, where we'll explore security software and the different types of threats that can harm your computer. Understanding these concepts is essential for keeping your digital devices safe and secure. Let's start by understanding what malware is. Malware is short for malicious software. It refers to any software specifically designed to infiltrate, damage, or gain unauthorized access to computer systems. Cybercriminals create malware with harmful intentions, such as stealing your personal information, damaging your files, or taking control of your device. There are several common types of malware you should be aware of. First is the virus, which attaches itself to files and spreads when those files are executed or opened. Second is the worm, which can self-replicate and spread across networks without needing a host file. Third is the Trojan, named after the Trojan horse, which disguises itself as legitimate software to trick users into installing it. Finally, ransomware encrypts your data and demands payment, usually in cryptocurrency, to release your files. Beyond the basic types, there are more specialized forms of malware. Spyware secretly monitors and collects information about your activities without your knowledge. Adware displays unwanted advertisements on your device, often slowing it down and disrupting your experience. Rootkits are particularly dangerous because they hide malicious activity from detection tools, making them very difficult to identify and remove. Keyloggers record every keystroke you make, allowing attackers to steal passwords, credit card numbers, and other sensitive data. Now that we understand the threats, let's look at the solution. Antivirus software is a security program designed to detect, prevent, and remove malicious software from your computer system. It acts as a protective shield, constantly monitoring your device for any signs of malware and taking action to keep your system safe. Antivirus software uses three main detection methods. Signature-based detection matches files against a database of known malware patterns, similar to comparing fingerprints. Heuristic analysis examines the behavior of programs to identify suspicious activities, even if the malware is new and not yet in the database. Cloud-based detection uses online threat databases maintained by security companies, providing real-time updates about the latest threats from around the world. Modern antivirus software includes several important features. Real-time scanning continuously monitors your system activity as you work, checking files as they're opened or downloaded. Automatic updates ensure your antivirus has the latest virus definitions to protect against new threats. The quarantine feature isolates infected files safely, preventing them from causing harm while allowing you to review them. Scheduled scans perform automatic periodic system checks, typically when your computer is idle, to thoroughly examine all files. There are many antivirus solutions available today. Windows Defender comes built-in with Windows operating systems and provides solid basic protection. Premium options like Norton, McAfee, Bitdefender, and Kaspersky offer advanced features and comprehensive protection for a subscription fee. Avast provides both free and paid versions, making it accessible for users with different budgets and needs. Each solution has its strengths, and the best choice depends on your specific requirements. To maximize your protection, follow these best practices. Always keep your antivirus software updated to ensure you have the latest virus definitions and security patches. Run regular system scans, ideally at least once a week, to catch any threats that might have slipped through. Avoid downloading files or software from suspicious or untrusted sources. Be extremely cautious with email attachments, even if they appear to come from someone you know, as email addresses can be spoofed by attackers. Let's review the key points. Malware poses serious threats to computer systems in many forms, from viruses to ransomware. Antivirus software provides essential protection by detecting and removing these threats. Regular updates and scans are crucial for maintaining effective security. Finally, remember that technology alone isn't enough. You must practice safe computing habits, such as being cautious about what you download and click. Stay safe online and protect your digital life.
If you like this video, Hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.